Hey guys, so I went to Toys R Us today and I picked up this toy. It was $83 plus tax. It's a Venom GT. So my idea right now is I'm gonna open it up. I don't want to call it an unboxing, but I am gonna open this up, hook up my GoPro, and then record it. So I hope you guys enjoy. So I don't think I'm gonna give you anything super fancy, but it's just whatever I'm doing. I'm just gonna walk you guys through what I do. So just bear with me so I can open this guy up and then set up my camera. Obviously, I apologize for the background noise. My kids are outside playing. So okay, so let's open this car.
Don't worry, I know not to. Kick me. Of course you won't. We're best friends. Friends never kick each other.
I'm gonna just.
One of my first best friends. Yeah. I remember I went to your birthday party. That time we weren't friends yet, but eventually and my mom were a couple. So your mom invited me.
Sorry, I have to tilt my camera back and forth, but...
Yeah, but at least we're friends now.
Sorry, guys.
Did we get used to each other? I think it was maybe at the movie. Oh, yeah, right. When we watched Beauty and the Beast. Yeah. I think that was my first movie.
Okay, well, that was not the intention.
I think that was your first movie.
I wanted to...
Yeah, my first movie. That was for my first time to the trip on the movie theater. Here. You better be careful to get as much.
I never owned a car like this in my life. And what got me excited is this. So what does it come with? I didn't expect, but I do have the battery. And the remote control. They were all nicely placed here. Oh, even has, I don't do much reading, but I am gonna try my best to not to screw this up. Okay, so what they've done here is, I guess, they've kind of so it's so tight. There's two. I just have to figure out how to remove my car from there. It's not so obvious. So remove the screw to release. Okay. Oh, so it's there's tiny screw inside. I don't know if you guys can see. I gotta remove it to release. So just bear with me. I'm gonna go get a screwdriver and get this going. Where's the stop? Alright guys, I'm not a handy guy, but I went through my toolbox and found this. So I only have to worry about this screw, and there's a screw in here. So let me do it. Oh yeah, they're right. So I can immediately feel. Liam, no, Daddy's busy. Can you stay back? So right away, this thing just became loose. So, oh yeah. So I think I got the first one released. No, I still see the screw. So, yep, there you go. So this comes off. One is released. Now I'm gonna just work on the other one. I'm gonna mount my GoPro on this and then just record it just to see how I used to have a buddy of mine. He has a huge YouTube channel. So I used to tell him, oh yeah, I'll join you, but I never did. So today, I got the chance to get my hands on this. Well, okay, well this one is giving me a hard time.
Oh, I went and bought some flowers.
Alright, I got it.
Yeah, so I went to Fresh Soap.
Both are out. Oh. So somehow there's this wire that comes around it for the sound. Now, I'll just pull it off. Yeah. So you can just pull the wire off. I think this is just a showpiece wire. Alright, so the car is out. This is it, guys. Look at my car. Liam, no, that's my car. Can you wait? Can you wait? Thank you.
Can I do it?
No, wait, I'll tell you when. So look, the actual lights, everything works. Wait, Liam, can you go play? I'll call you right now. No, the car, you need to charge it and it's dirty, boo boo.
Next time we'll
Turn it on. Wow. I am super pumped. Oh, and the lights, they work. Wait, Liam, wait. Go play, I'm coming.
That's his car.
So I just turned it off for the time being.
So what's gonna happen if you actually drive it?
Well, so now I'm gonna take care of
And don't hit Amelia's
the battery.
And don't hit Amelia's feet. It's okay. He won't. He's gonna drive it on the road. On the road there.
Oh man.
It's gonna get crashed from a gigantic car. Nope. If it does, he will make sure to back into the car.
I have a fan base that are watching me. I like it.
But it's not your beauty.
What? So here's a remote control.
So what are you
As I showed you guys earlier, there's a battery that came with it. So again, you need a
Can I try
little
driving
screwdriver.
it? Can I try driving your car? Oh wait,
Let me set it up and I'll call you, okay?
I really want to ride that.
So, can you take your son for 2 minutes? Liam, wait.
Come here. Liam, come here and show you something. Spider.
Okay.
So again, this is pretty self-explanatory. It doesn't require rocket science.
Spend hours sitting there just for 4 pages.
So I place the battery and give it a little screw back.
I'm just gonna go get my
Okay. Now I'm gonna move on to hooking up my GoPro on the car.
We just passed anniversary. July 6th. Oh, our anniversary. Yeah, we just passed our anniversary. Yeah. You didn't celebrate? 11. It's for our wedding anniversary too.
18 years? So now I got this 3M. It comes with your GoPro kit. Liam, go to mom, please. So now I just have to put it on a flat surface, so it's either sides. That's all I can think of. Or I hook it up at the back. But the problem is, if I hook it up at the back, it will kind of hide my field, right? It's gonna be low, so I'd rather put it top here. So again, it's not rocket science. Oh, see? Well, maybe it is rocket science for some. I just need to figure out So it's gonna go like this. So I gotta face it this way.
Oh, that's so sweet. Oh, $100.
All right, I'm gonna peel this. Okay, peel it off. Hope you guys can see.
Asking the wind spirit to send it to her.
I'm gonna put some pressure. I want to make sure it just doesn't come off.
No, because we're charging.
I don't know why I felt like doing this today, but I am doing it. I'm not backing off. And plus, my mom was nice enough to sponsor this car for me, so. Okay, let's hook up the GoPro.
How do I open this? Here, hold this one. That way, how do you open it? I opened it.
All right. Well, it looks like it's slightly tilted. It doesn't look too bad, right? Now, I just have to set up this camera in an angle where I can capture my first test run. All right, I'm gonna turn it off and then I'll be back.
He's not gonna be a girl.
Okay, so yesterday I got this car and it wouldn't sync up with my remote controller, so I went and got a new one. I've already opened it, tested, it's working just fine. So right now let's test this baby out. Oh, please don't tell me the battery died. Gosh, my GoPro battery is dead. So I'll be back. Okay, so I'm back. I just replaced my battery for the GoPro and we're all set to go. Okay, so I did a test run earlier. This thing is freaking fast and I'm still learning how to control, so I better. All right, here we go. What happened? Why it's not doing anything?
I'm here first.
Well, you gotta turn the car on. All right, my first test run. Oh, I'm like so scared to.
Your GoPro will fall off, right?
No.
I mean, can I come in my bike too?
Yeah, this thing is fast. Yep, I gotta do a lot of. Hello. என்ன போட்டோ தெரியல, நான் இந்த காரை இப்போ மாற்றிக்கொண்டு வந்து ஓடுறேன் திருப்பி அடிக்கணும் மங்கி.
Mother,
I know how
wait,
not.
mother.
Oh,
You won't go too far, right? My phone is right there. Okay?
yeah.
let's go.
Today's just gonna drive around here to get started.
Damn, this thing turns so fast. Yeah, I'm having a hard time learning to control this beast. Whoa, look what I did. Alright, I will switch on to my footage on the GoPro.